Hi guys, today I'm facing the problem with the windscreen jet wash. Basically, when I use the jet wash in Hyundai Tucson, they work only one jet instead of two. The problem is because the Hyundai covered the whole pipes with the plastic under the bonnet. I will show you what the problem is. It's only this side, but the other one doesn't work. Absolutely nothing. Basically, here are two jet washes. I will open the bonnet to show you what's the problem. There are two jet wash. There's a one and there's another, and the whole pipe system is covered with plastic under the windscreen, so you have no access from this side, even from under. You need to remove all plastic if you want to fix it, but I will try the easier method. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the Car Guru DIY channel, where you will find plenty of advice on dealing with common car issues that every enthusiast faces from time to time. But I will try the easier method, because on one side is a small piece of the pipe which carrying water from the wash tank from here to the jet wash. Okay, so how we can unblock the jet? I will use the tire inflator, disconnect the pipe which is under the bonnet, and then push the air into the blocked jet wash. This one jet wash is blocked, so I will try to disconnect this pipe from here in this point, and then I will push the air into the water jet and hope that all debris will be pushed out from the pipe and then resolve the problem. Let's see. The pipe is disconnected, so I will try to push some air, pushing out the debris. Okay, let's see. Now it's time to just plug the pipe, and it's time for test.